Hello all, welcome back. This is DJ, your IELTS trainer. In this episode, we are going to see the part 4 and concentrate on how to solve the question types in part 4. Usually, the part 4 thing is, it is a kind of monologue. Only one person will be giving a lecture on a scientific topic, or it might be an historic topic, or some sort of topic. So, the basic questions we are going to solve here is fill in the blanks. Most probably, we'll be getting only fill in the blanks in the last part. I have mentioned the last part is a difficult one. Why? Because the last part you'll be having intense accents and the rate of speech of the audio will be really fast. So how to maneuver it? Yes, we can maneuver it. We have to do n number of practices. We have to do many number of practices and listen to many number of accents and audios to get familiarized and maneuver the difficulty of part 4. Yes, in part 4, as I mentioned in part 1, how did we solve the fill in the blanks? Yes, with the keywords and the main words. Even now we are going to follow the same kind of thing. Here we have to concentrate on the keyword, and we have to listen to the audio for the hints, and also the question will be displayed in the screen.
31 to 40. Labyrinths have existed for well over 4,000 years. Labyrinths and labyrinthine symbols have been found in regions as diverse as modern-day Turkey, Ireland, Greece, and India. There are various designs of labyrinth, but what they all have in common is a winding spiral path which leads to a central area.
So we have a word here, winding spiral path. You might ask me, why should I give importance to that? They do not have a question over there. But yes, it is important to give attention for each and every word from the audio, and also simultaneously have to look into the question and identify your answer. You have to do everything because you're not going to get distracted or diverted from the audio or the questions. So you must stay focused. For that, you have to listen to everything.
There is one starting point at the entrance, and the goal is to reach the central area. Finding your way through a labyrinth involves many twists and turns, but it's not possible to get lost, as there is only one single path. In modern times, the word labyrinth has taken on a different meaning and is often used as a synonym for a maze. A maze is quite different, as it is a kind of puzzle with an intricate...
Okay, so what is the first question over here? Mazes are a type of... So what is a maze? So for that question, we are going to get an answer. So what they have said is, a maze is quite different as it is a kind of puzzle. Mazes are a type of puzzle, okay? So you're not going to expect the same word or same synonym for this, but you might get some sort of an equivalent word for that. For example, type, we have got a kind. A kind is a word equivalent for the word type.
network of paths. Mazes became fashionable in the 15th and 16th centuries in Europe and can still be found in the gardens of great houses and palaces. The paths are usually surrounded by thick, high hedges so that it's not possible to see over them. Entering a maze usually involves getting lost a few times before using logic to work out the pattern and find your way.
Second question is, dash is needed to navigate through a maze. So possibly the answer or the audio says you are going to get a logic to solve this maze before you're getting lost. So you have to use your logic to navigate through a maze.
To the center and then out again. There are lots of dead ends and paths which lead you back to where you started. The word maze is believed to come from a Scandinavian word for a state of confusion.
So our final question is, the word maze is derived from a word meaning or feeling of dash. So what the audio says is, this word is actually derived from a Scandinavian word, kind of a state of confusion. So the first one's answer is puzzle, second one is logic, Third one is confusion. Please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon so that you do not miss any sort of information that is getting posted in our channel. And also please like it and share it with your friends so that even they get the knowledge and even they get the help from us. And thank you so much and see you in the next episode in reading. Bye bye.